A Pakistani official has said that the China-Pakistan economic corridor will help address the looming food security challenge facing Pakistan by introducing modern farming to enhance the country's yield through agricultural cooperation. In a recent Xinhua interview, Syed Zafar Ali Shah, a top official of Pakistan's Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, said that Pakistan has realized that food security is an important component of national security, and agribusiness is being promoted through more investments in the agriculture sector, which will be further enhanced under the CPEC framework.
The recent happenings in the world and the crises always make people realize that food security is a very important component of the national security. So as part of food security, this year we are investing more in Pakistan in the water sector. This is a policy decision. We are investing more in agriculture to increase our yield. And we are trying to promote agribusiness. So for that, I think all these sectors are strengths of China. China has shown great performance and productivity. We expect our Chinese friends to come in the agriculture sector in a big way. They can do invest in agriculture, but mostly if they are more welcome because of technology, both in increasing the yield and the agribusiness. And they can be really exporting, helping out in Pakistan and getting profits for themselves. So it's a win-win situation, which has been a hallmark of both country relations.
He said there is a joint consensus that the project is important for the economic development of Pakistan.
CPEC was a multifaceted kind of program, and it catered to the needs of Pakistan. So one of our greatest and primary need was energy. Energy was short in the country. So CPEC started almost 10,000 megawatts of electricity projects, and today all those are working. So there is a big contribution of CPEC straight away in the power sector. We are looking forward to a very bright future for CPEC.